In the heart of the 18th century, a new era dawned upon the world. The Industrial Revolution, a period of unprecedented change, was taking shape, and the factory system was its defining symbol. In the bustling city of Manchester, England, the cotton industry was flourishing. The factory system, a revolutionary approach to manufacturing, was redefining the very essence of work and life. The weavers of Manchester, once scattered across the countryside, were now converging in vast, windowless buildings. The air was thick with the hum of looms and the clatter of spinning wheels. The factory system promised efficiency, productivity, and prosperity, but it also brought about a profound shift in the social fabric of the town. The factory owners, driven by profit, pushed the weavers to work longer hours, often for meager wages. The factory bell dictated the rhythm of their days and nights, leaving little room for leisure or family time. The factory whistle became a symbol of the relentless march of progress. The weavers, once skilled artisans, were now reduced to cogs in the machine. Their hands, once nimble and agile, were now weary from the monotonous work. Their spirits, once proud and independent, were now broken under the weight of exploitation. But the factory system was not without its champions. The industrialists argued that the factory system was the key to the nation's prosperity. They pointed to the increasing production of goods, the creation of jobs, and the economic growth as evidence of its success. However, the cost of this progress was not lost on everyone. Social reformers, led by the likes of Robert Owen, began to speak out against the inhumane conditions in the factories. They argued that the factory system was not just a tool for economic growth, but also a means to exploit the working class. Owen, a factory owner turned social reformer, established a model factory in New Lanark, Scotland. Here, he implemented reforms aimed at improving the living and working conditions of the workers. He shortened the working day, provided education for the children, and improved housing for the workers. The factory system, once hailed as a symbol of progress, was now under scrutiny. The debate raged on, pitting the industrialists against the social reformers. The factory system was a double-edged sword, bringing about unprecedented economic growth but also causing immense suffering. The saga of the factory system serves as a stark reminder of the twin faces of progress. It shows us that while progress is essential, we must always remember to balance it with compassion and empathy for the people who drive it. The factory system, a symbol of the Industrial Revolution, stands as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the need for social responsibility. In the end, it was the combined efforts of the industrialists and social reformers that shaped the factory system. It was a period of transformation, a time of growth, and a reminder of the importance of balancing progress with compassion. The factory system, a defining feature of the Industrial Revolution, continues to echo in the annals of history, a testament to the power of human will and the need for social justice.